Put your name and number at the top. For today's lesson, you will be subtracting on a hundreds chart. For number 1, go ahead and pick a number on the 100 chart and circle it. And whatever you want to add to that, you will take hops down for tens and hops to the right for ones. For example, if I start at 36 and I want to add 25 to that number, I'm going to take 2 hops down for 20 and 5 hops to the right for the 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I land on 61, so 61 is my answer. If I took the whole, which is 61, and I subtract 36, let me grab a different color. If I start at 61, and there's 36 right there, I can count the difference by going 1, 2, that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that would equal 25. If you notice, the parts are the same in both addition and subtraction, except now the 61 is at the beginning since we're subtracting, and that has the big number instead of being at the end when we were adding. For number 2, go ahead and write an addition problem, show it on the hundreds chart, and then do the turnaround fact. When you are done, you can go to the middle section. If you look at the top, it says find 43 minus 28 using a 100 chart. And the mouse says I need to find the difference between 28 and 43. So the second box says start at 28, count by ones to match the ones in 43. So they count and they stop at 33 because 33 has 3 ones just like 43. That's 5 more ones. Then the next box says count by tens to 43. And since they only took 1 hop down, that's 1 10 or 10 more. I added 5 and 10, that makes 15. So 28 plus 15 equals 43. So 43 minus the 28 equals 15. It's just the turnaround fact. Now go to guided practice. Subtract using the 100 chart, draw arrows if you want to. So number 2, I need to find the difference between 79 and 47. So I would find 79 and circle it, and I would also find 47 and circle that. I know between 47 and 79, I'm going to move my 47 until I get to 49 because it has 9 ones like 79. So I'm going to go 1, 2 hops to the right, and then I can go straight down to 79 by counting tens. 1, 2, and 3. So I went 3 hops down and 2 hops to the right. So 3 hops down are my 3 tens, and 2 hops to the right are my 2 ones. You give it a try for the next problems from 3 to 7. When you are ready, you can move on to independent practice. When you get down to 13 and 14, that's algebra, so you will write the digit that makes each number sentence true. So 73 minus what number equals 41? Keep in mind that this number is going to show the tens. So I know it has 2 ones. How many tens will it have? And then for number 14, 50 something minus 32 will equal 26. So again, this number is now in the ones digit. So 50 what minus 32 will equal 26. Go ahead and push the pause button, and when you are ready, you can push play and turn to the back. For problem solving, you will use the chart to solve the problems below. Number 15, Darren has 98 puzzle pieces. He fits 52 pieces in the puzzle. How many more puzzle pieces does Darren still need to fit to complete the puzzle? So I know there's 98 total puzzle pieces. That's my whole. He already fits 55, so that's the part we know. We're trying to figure out the missing part. So I'm going to circle 98, and I'm going to circle 55. So you're trying to figure out how many hops over to the right for the ones and how many hops down to 98 for your tens. For number 16, Glenda has 86 puzzle pieces. She needs to fit 23 more pieces to finish the puzzle. How many puzzle pieces has Glenda fit in the puzzle already? So again, on a hundreds chart, I would circle 86 and 23 and figure out how many hops to the right and how many hops down, and choose your answer A, B, C, or D. For number 17, journal, you will write the steps you take to subtract 42 from 76 on the 100 chart. So I would write out 76, because that's the bigger number, minus 42 equals what? Tell me how you would solve that using a 100 chart. You can do number 17 as a journal in Seesaw. When you are done, go ahead and turn your work into the finished box.